Look at this beautiful chocolate chip loaf. Can you believe it's ready to bake in less than 5 minutes? It's soft, rich, and absolutely delicious. The best part? It's super easy to make. Just add your ingredients, blend, pour, and bake. That's it. Simple, quick, and so satisfying. Easy, right? Let's get started. First, preheat your oven to 170 degrees Celsius. It won't take much time, so get that ready before we start. Now bring out the blender, because this recipe comes together in just minutes. Here, I'm using 3 medium-sized eggs, about 155 grams. Eggs give the loaf a soft, fluffy texture. Next, add half a cup of vegetable oil. That's 125 milliliters. You can also use melted butter instead. Just adjust the quantity to replace the oil. Now, add condensed milk. This is what gives the loaf its lovely sweetness. If you don't have condensed milk, simply increase the sugar a little and balance it with any liquid like yogurt or extra egg. Add brown sugar. I prefer brown sugar over white because it adds more depth of flavor. Then add plain yogurt. Make sure it's not sour, just plain and fresh. For flavor, add 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence. This really lifts the loaf and makes it fragrant. And here's my favorite part, orange zest. It takes the flavor to the next level. Don't skip this step. So now all the wet ingredients are in the blender. Blend for around 1 minute until smooth. You can see the mixture turning silky. Now let's prepare the dry ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, sift in 200 grams of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Once that's done, pour the blended liquid into the dry ingredients. Add in a handful of chocolate chips and gently mix until you get a smooth cake-like batter. At this stage, you can also add your own twist, maybe dark chocolate chunks or even some fresh berries. Now, pour the batter into a loaf tin. Sprinkle a few more chocolate chips on top. That makes it look even better after baking. Tap to release air bubbles. And that's it. Just blend the ingredients, mix with the flour, and it's ready for the oven. Bake for about 50 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. Every oven is a little different, so keep an eye after 45 minutes and check with a skewer. And now, look at this loaf. Golden, soft, and full of chocolate chips. So easy, so delicious, and ready for the oven in just 5 minutes of prep. I think this is one of the best, simplest, and most delicious cake loaves you can make. So, how do you like the recipe? If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who loves easy desserts, and don't forget to subscribe for more recipes like this. Until then, enjoy this beautiful chocolate chip loaf.